Hi everybody, it's Robert Klein here. So now we're going to go through the mortgage down payment advance number 3, and that's called the assumable mortgage. All right, advance down payment number 3, assumable mortgages. Now this is a pretty slick way of getting a property. So I'm just going to give you one example. There's many different examples of how this would work, but here's probably something that's very easy to look for. Let's assume the property that you're looking for was for $400,000. So property value is that. The person that actually purchased that property before had a $390,000 mortgage on it at this moment. Now traditionally, usually you'd have to come up with your 5% down or 20 grand to buy this property, pay your CMHC fees and do all the usual things. But alternatively, what you can do is you can call the bank where this mortgage is held and ask if it is assumable. What that means is you can just go and take over that mortgage and take over that property. So if the guy wants 400 grand, you say, look, I'll take over your mortgage and just get you out of this property. Well, as long as the banks agree to it, you have to qualify for it. If you qualify, what that means is CMHC will not require you to pay new CMHC fees because this guy already paid it for that mortgage. And second, you don't have to come up with any down payment in this scenario. So there's a lot more to assumable mortgages, but understanding the financial position of the property or of the person that owns that property gives you some huge advantages if you know what you're doing. So here's just one way of doing it. So the benefit of this assumable mortgage was this person would have to come up with pretty much nothing down and was able to avoid all the CMHC fees. So there are actually other things above and beyond that can be done with assumable mortgages, and we'll be discussing that in other videos.